Okay. Okay. Here we are, second day of turkey season. Look at that, kind of heard this bird. Yeah. We both just happened to take a shot pretty close at the same time. He's down and grab him. Ooh, look, you got a nice bird.
I don't know. Ooh, shit, that's blood.
It's okay. We pounded him, got my feet. Oh my goodness.
Fucking heavy.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Pick up that bird again.
He's fucking monstrous.
We kind of pounded him. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Turn it around. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture. Good job, Moosey.